Hi folks, welcome back. So sorry. So I'm outside. There's all kinds of stuff going on. Birds are singing and the sun is shining and the traffic is rolling down the highway. But I wanted to share with you, so recently we posted a video of Tom and I trying the, hi Dizzy, look at you, trying the mushroom coffees for the first time and getting our reactions for that. In all transparency, I had tried the everyday dose before and it was okay. So that was how I knew it would be okay to get, it was mainly Tom's reactions that I was interested in, but also to try those for myself, you know, to see if that was something I was interested in pursuing as a health measure. And as it turns out, I am. So I thought I would give each of them, at least the everyday dose and the Ryze, a 30-day shakeout to see if and what I experienced as a result of taking those coffees on the daily. So after having tried, I'm working on the everyday dose, and after having tried that for about 5 days, here are some of the things that I've noticed. The brain fog, as of about day 2, the brain fog is significantly reduced. I smell smoke. It's somebody's burning something somewhere, so I'll have to go check that out. But the everyday dose is really good, especially with some almond milk and honey. I'm gonna go check that out. That's a lot of ash. So as it turns out, it was the neighbor. They're burning a brush pile. It's a controlled burn. Everything's fine. We're not completely dried out yet here where we are in Oklahoma. In fact, we've had quite a lot of rain recently. But what I was saying with the everyday dose, I've noticed the brain fog significantly reduced. I've noticed another thing in the last couple of days, and that is that my cravings at night are significantly reduced. So I was really battling like sweet and salty cravings, and I've noticed that those are a lot easier to tolerate with the mushroom. Now I don't know if it's just that, because I have changed other things about my diet as well. For instance, I'm drinking less wine and less caffeine overall. I still drink my coffee in the morning, but I have the mushrooms with my coffee. I don't drink tea every day, and if I do drink tea, it's 1 glass a day and not all day long like it used to be. So my sugar is also significantly reduced. I've lost, at my heaviest, not long ago, I was at 211 pounds. And yesterday I weighed in at 206. So I'm very pleased with that so far. I can't contribute it all to the mushrooms, but I can say that I believe the mushrooms are helping with the cravings at night. What else? The mushrooms taste good, like I say, especially with in the coffee, right? So you can drink it just by itself, but it's a little intense with the mushroom flavor. But I find that if I put it in my morning coffee, it blends in very nicely. And then I like to add a little almond milk and honey just to sweeten it up a little bit, and that really rounds it out very, very nicely. And me and this mockingbird are going to have words. He's very noisy. But anyway, that's all I wanted to do. I just wanted to share that with you guys. I'll be back next weekend with another update to share with you any new news, or whether I feel about the same, or if I've experienced anything significant in me too. Until next time, y'all be safe, be well, and we'll see you.